Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Homework Models and Twilight Builders. Coffee and Construction, episode 24. Today, we've got progress in a different area. I'm so excited to show you. We have our rolling gate in. Oh, how beautiful is this? So we've got a cement track here along the ground and a post here on this side of the opening. And then we walk across here to the other side. This gate is in the shade, so I'm trying to get you close so you get an idea of what it looks like. And we have our rolling gate here. Oh, this is going to be, it's just such an awesome addition to this homeowner's yard to be able to have access to this space, whether they use it for RV parking or just utilizing their backyard more effectively. It's just great, great, great. So for Coffee and Construction episode 24, we have a rolling gate in place. Thank you, friends, for being here on this journey with us. We so appreciate you enjoying the ride. Coffee and Construction episode 24. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.